Okay, so here's problem number 29. So use the given to determine which statements are true. What's the given? This information right here. The two lines are parallel. So let's look at 1 and 8. Is angle 1 and 8 congruent? Or are angles 1 and 8 congruent? They are. What's the reason? They're alternate exterior angles. And alternate exterior angles are congruent when you have lines that are parallel. Okay, angle 1 is supplementary to angle 3. Is that true? No. They're corresponding. And if both were right angles, it would be true, but they're not right angles. At least we're not told that they're right angles. All right, angle 5 is congruent to angle 7. This is true because of what reason? Corresponding angles. Run out of space. All right, angle 6 and 7 are supplementary. Is that true? Yes, it is true because of same side interior or consecutive interior angles. They're supplementary to each other. All right, angle 2 and 3 are congruent. No. If they were 90 degrees angles, they would be congruent, but we don't know that. So you have to say no. All right, F is kind of tricky for a lot of students. And even when I look at a problem like F, it's easy to kind of make a silly mistake. So let's just draw it again. So it says if T is perpendicular to B, so I'm going to draw a line. Here's T. And let's make it consistent to my diagram. So since the diagram has T being horizontal, here's T. So T is perpendicular to B. All right, so they make a right angle. Then is it true that B is perpendicular to A? Well, here's my A. So if T and B are perpendicular so that they form a right angle, does that mean that A is perpendicular to B? No. Visually, you can tell that the two lines, A and B, are parallel, but absolutely not perpendicular. So I'm going to say no for F. All right, number or letter G. Angle 5 is congruent to angle 8. No. They do have a relationship, but it's not congruent. What's true about angle 5 and angle 8? Consecutive exterior angles. So they add up to give you 180 degrees. But they are absolutely not congruent. All right, and lastly, H. Angle 3 and 7 are complementary. We have no way of knowing that they're complementary, so we're going to have to say no. If it said that they're supplementary, would you be able to say yes? Correct. All right, but they are definitely not complementary. And this is 29.